Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language on the booking.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. And after that, go to your homepage by tapping on this booking.com icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and then you can find this flag icon. So tap on it and then you can change the language of the website. Here you can find the recommendations at the top, but you can find all of the available options below. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to use, and then the language of the whole website will be updated automatically, as you can see. So you can also change your region next to it, so or know that this is actually the currency, so you can set the currency as well. Here you can find the suggestions and the all of the options here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.